Hello and welcome back to Motor Max, your go-to destination for everything about the latest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Ather 450X, a sleek electric scooter that has been making waves in the electric mobility scene. With its new features, updated design, and impressive performance specs, the Ather 450X is raising the bar for electric two-wheelers. Let's dive in and see what this scooter has to offer. Design and build. The 2025 Ather 450X comes with a bold and modern design that pushes the boundaries of what we expect from electric scooters. The first thing you'll notice is its clean lines, minimalistic body, and sharp, aerodynamic profile. The scooter maintains its signature look with angular edges and a stylish headlamp design, but there are some subtle tweaks that give it an even more premium feel. The body is made from high-quality materials, ensuring both strength and durability while keeping the weight in check. One notable update is the enhanced build quality. The frame feels solid and the scooter's finish is top-notch, with smooth welds and perfectly integrated body panels. The 2025 model also offers more color options, allowing you to choose a look that fits your personality. Performance and powertrain. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ather 450X has certainly raised the stakes. Powered by a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery and an upgraded motor, the scooter delivers a fantastic combination of power and range. The new version comes with a 6 kW peak power motor that can reach speeds of up to 90 km per hour, making it one of the fastest electric scooters in its class. The acceleration is impressively quick, with the scooter reaching 0 to 40 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds. This makes it an ideal choice for urban commuting, where quick bursts of speed can make a big difference. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising on open roads, the 2025 Ather 450X offers a smooth and responsive ride. Battery and range. One of the key updates for the 2025 Ather 450X is its improved battery range. The scooter now comes with a 3.7 kWh battery pack, offering a range of up to 105 km on a single charge, depending on the riding conditions and mode you choose. This is a significant improvement over the previous model, making it more practical for long-distance commuting without the need for frequent recharges. Charging has also become more efficient, with the scooter supporting fast charging capabilities. You can expect to charge it from 0 to 80% in just about 40 minutes at a fast charging station, which is perfect for when you're on the go. Technology and features. The 2025 Ather 450X is packed with tech, designed to make your riding experience not just comfortable but futuristic. The scooter features a large, fully connected touchscreen display that provides key information like speed, range, battery status, and navigation. The interface is highly intuitive, and you can even customize it to suit your preferences. Another highlight is the integration of Ather's proprietary software, which enables features like real-time navigation, over-the-air updates, and ride statistics. The scooter also comes equipped with mobile connectivity, so you can track your scooter's location, monitor battery health, and even pre-schedule charging through the Ather app. Safety and comfort. Safety is a major focus with the 2025 Ather 450X. The scooter comes equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, offering reliable stopping power. It also features a regenerative braking system that helps recharge the battery during braking, adding an extra layer of efficiency. On the comfort front, the 450X comes with a well-padded seat and suspension that smooths out the bumps, even on uneven surfaces. The wide tires ensure good grip and stability, contributing to a secure and comfortable ride, especially in city traffic. Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Ather 450X is priced slightly higher than its predecessors, but given the significant upgrades in performance, range, and technology, it's well worth the investment. The exact pricing will vary based on the region, but it is expected to be in the ballpark of 1.50 Indian rupees to 1.60 Indian rupees lakh in India. In terms of availability, Ather has expanded its reach, with more cities now having access to their scooters. The 2025 450X should be available at Ather's experience centers and through their online platform. Conclusion. So, is the 2025 Ather 450X worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative to traditional scooters, a high-performance ride for city commuting, or simply something with the latest tech, the Ather 450X ticks all the boxes. With its improved battery range, faster charging, sleek design, and advanced features, it's a great choice for anyone looking to make the switch to electric. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Max for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the 2025 Ather 450X, and whether it's the scooter of the future in your opinion. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Technology and features. The 2025 Ather 450X is packed with tech, designed to make your riding experience not just comfortable but futuristic. The scooter features a large, fully connected touchscreen display that provides key information like speed, range, battery status, and navigation. The interface is highly intuitive, and you can even customize it to suit your preferences. Another highlight is the integration of Ather's proprietary software, which enables features like real-time navigation, over-the-air updates, and ride statistics. The scooter also comes equipped with mobile connectivity, so you can track your scooter's location, monitor battery health, and even pre-schedule charging through the Ather app. Safety and comfort. Safety is a major focus with the 2025 Ather 450X. The scooter comes equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear, offering reliable stopping power.